today we're going to recap how to do short division with remainders. So my first question that we're going to go through is 237 divided by 5. So what I've got to do is I've got to think of my 5 times table facts and use these to help me. So my first thing I need to think of is how many 5s are there in 2, or 2 divided by 5. Now I know if I've got 2 things I can't split that into 5 equally. So that's 0 with 2 left over, which I'm going to carry forward into my hundreds, into my tens column. So then I'm thinking, how many 5s go into 23? So I've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 is too big, so it's 4 with 3 left over. How many 5s go into 37? So I've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. That's 7, because 40 is too big, 7 with 2 left over, which today I'm going to leave as the remainder. So my answer to 237 divided by 5 is 47, remainder 2. My next question, I've got 4 digits, but it's still exactly the same. This time I'm using my 4 times table facts. Remember, if you're not sure on your times table facts, to get on TT Rockstars and keep practicing them. So I'm thinking, how many 4s go into 5? 4, 8 is too many, so it's once with 1 left over. How many 4s go into 14? 4, 8, 12, 16 is too many, so it's 3 with 2 left over. How many 4s go into 23? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 is too many, so it's 5 with 3 left over. How many 4s go into 31? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32 is too big, so it's 7, remainder 3. Another thing you can use if you're really struggling with your times tables but want to be practicing your short division is you could use a times table grid to help you. This last one I'm dividing by 12. Now you can still use the exact same method to divide by 12 because I know my 12 times tables. And if you know your 12 times tables or you've got a multiplication grid to help you, you can do that too. So again I've got 4 digits and divided by 12. So 6,352 divided by 12. How many 12s are there in 6? Or 6 is smaller than 12, so none, with 6 left over. How many 12s are in 63? So we've got 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72 is too big. So it's 5, which is 60 with 3 left over. How many 12s go into 35? We've got 12, 24, 36 is too big. So it's 2, which is 24. And then I need to count from 24 to 35 is 11. So I'm carrying over 11. So now I'm thinking this number is now a hundreds number, but that's absolutely fine. I'm still going to use exactly the same thing. I just know my times tables and the 12 times tables are bigger. So how many 12s go into 112? So I've got 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108. It's going to be 9 times. Remainder, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112. 9 times remainder 4. So the answer to this calculation would be 529 remainder 4. And although I've got a 2-digit number here, because I know my 12 times tables, it works exactly the same as my other 2-digit numbers. So all your questions today are again on the PowerPoint, and we're hoping that you're going to be really good at practicing your short multiplication in the bus stop method. And I will see you tomorrow.